How to death dive. Follow me. First, put on the glasses. Waterproof, waterproof, waterproof. Ready. Okay. This could be very terrifying and scary the first time you try it, but make sure to take your shoes off. And then you jump and go into position. Put your arms like above your ears. Okay, jump. Face down. You jump as high as you can, and in the middle of the jump, you kind of form your body into a shrimp. Shall we try? By the way, just make sure when you do your jump, do it like far away from the edge as you can. Hey! Woo! It wasn't so scary, and you know what? It didn't hurt. Maybe a bit higher this time. One more time. One more time. I think I did good. Do you want me to try over here maybe? I want to try over here. Are you ready? Death dive. Yay! Woo! Okay. Try this at home. And if you like my how to death dive video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you want me to do something else. Bye!